Introducing the Hoover Commercial HushTone Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a powerhouse cleaning solution designed to deliver exceptional performance while minimizing disruption. With its innovative 2-speed motor, users can effortlessly transition between quiet operation and boosted power for tackling tough messes. The extended life belt feature ensures durability by automatically protecting the belt from breakage. Equipped with a sealed allergen system utilizing Hexaguard Technology, this vacuum cleaner captures 99% of dirt, dust, and pollens, promoting cleaner indoor air. Plus, its user-friendly design, requiring no tools for maintenance, ensures hassle-free cleaning. Get ready for superior cleaning performance without the noise with this vacuum cleaner. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. HushTone 2-speed motor. The standout feature of this vacuum cleaner is its innovative HushTone 2-speed motor. This motor allows users to toggle between 2 modes: a quiet mode, emitting only 69 decibels of sound, perfect for environments where noise disruption must be minimized, and a boost mode for when extra power is needed to tackle tougher cleaning tasks. This versatility ensures that users can adapt the vacuum's performance to suit their specific cleaning needs without sacrificing effectiveness. Number 2. Extended life belt. One common issue with this vacuum cleaner is belt breakage, leading to costly repairs and maintenance. However, this vacuum cleaner addresses this concern with its extended life belt feature. Advanced circuitry automatically shuts off the motor to prevent belt breakage, thus prolonging the lifespan of the belt and reducing the need for frequent replacements. This not only saves users time and money, but also ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Number 3. Sealed allergen system. In today's world, indoor air quality is a major concern, particularly for individuals with allergies or respiratory issues. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with a sealed allergen system that effectively traps 99% of dirt, dust, and pollens down to 0.5 microns. Utilizing Hexaguard Technology, this system ensures that the air expelled from the vacuum is significantly cleaner, creating a healthier environment for occupants. This feature is especially beneficial for households or businesses with allergy sufferers or those who prioritize air quality. Number 4. No tools required. Convenience is key, and this vacuum cleaner delivers on this front with its no tools required design. Users can start cleaning right out of the box, as there's no assembly required. Additionally, accessing the brush roll and belt system for maintenance is a breeze, requiring no tools and only seconds of your time. This user-friendly design streamlines the cleaning process, allowing users to focus on the task at hand without unnecessary hassle or frustration. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Hoover Commercial HushTone Upright Vacuum Cleaner stands as a testament to innovation and efficiency in the realm of cleaning technology. Its blend of quiet operation, powerful performance, and convenient features make it a standout choice for both residential and commercial cleaning needs. With its ability to adapt to various cleaning tasks, protect its components for long-term use, and promote healthier indoor air quality, this vacuum cleaner represents a smart investment for any cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to noisy disruptions and hello to superior cleaning results with this vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.